Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best two-compartment laundry hamper is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked items in maintaining a tidy and organized living space, especially when dealing with the ever-growing pile of clothes that seem to multiply overnight. This versatile solution not only helps in segregating your laundry into lights, darks, or delicates, but also adds a touch of neatness to your bedroom or laundry room, transforming a mundane chore into a slightly more manageable task with its practical design and efficient use of space. Number 5. Simple Houseware Double Laundry Hamper. Introducing the Simple Houseware Double Laundry Hamper, designed to simplify your laundry routine. Keep your space tidy and your clothes out of sight with its convenient lid. Crafted from durable polypropylene, this hamper is built to last. Its lightweight construction makes it easy to move around your home. It comes with included laundry bags that are attached and removable. Transport your clothes from the hamper to the washing machine with ease. This hamper is designed to fit perfectly in most closet spaces or bathrooms. When not in use, it conveniently collapses for easy storage. The gray color and thoughtful design make it a stylish addition to any room. Manage your laundry efficiently and keep your living space neat. What we like. This hamper features a lid to keep unpleasant odors contained and your laundry out of sight. Its lightweight construction makes it easy to move around. If you're looking for a simple, no-fuss solution for a small space, this is a great option. What people say. The hamper is sturdy and holds a lot of laundry. I love that it has two compartments, making it easy to separate lights and darks. The design is sleek and modern, and it fits perfectly in my small laundry room. Number 4. Lifewit Double Laundry Hamper Gray. Keep your space tidy with this hamper's sturdy lid, designed to hide laundry from view. Its neutral gray color seamlessly blends with any room decor. Crafted with durable cationic fabric and reinforced with a strong frame, this hamper is built for stability and long-term use. It's designed to stand firm, even when full. Setting up is a breeze, taking just minutes with simple assembly. When not in use, it conveniently folds flat for easy storage. Easily sort your laundry with two large divided sections. Perfect for separating lights and darks, or his and hers items. Included laundry bags with handles make transporting clothes to the wash simple. Just pull them out and go. With a large 136-liter capacity, it holds 3 to 4 loads of laundry. Each compartment offers ample space for your washing needs. What we like. This hamper boasts a very sturdy build with multiple support rods for excellent stability. It offers a generous capacity, perfect for larger households or those who do laundry less frequently. If you need a durable hamper that can handle a lot of clothes and is easy to assemble, this one is a solid choice. What people say. Each side is the right size for a full load of regular laundry. Great laundry basket to help with separating clothing as they dirty. Saves time with having to separate before washing, and each section comes out easily, so if only one is full you do not have to take out all 3. The hamper is divided into 2 compartments, allowing me to separate my clothes by color or type. This feature is especially useful for those who prefer to sort their laundry before washing. Number 3. VASAGLE Laundry Sorter UBLH201B01. Tired of laundry day chaos? Introducing a smart solution designed to make sorting simple and efficient. Keep your clothes organized with ease. This laundry basket features 2 spacious compartments, each holding 12.1 gallons. It's perfect for separating lights from darks or delicates for regular wash. The top shelf offers extra space for organizing detergents or displaying decor. Its slatted design also promotes airflow, helping to reduce odors. Need to do the actual washing? The bags easily detach thanks to hook and loop fasteners, making them simple to remove and clean. They also have a sturdy base to prevent sagging. Crafted with a robust metal frame and durable MDF, it's built for stability. The water-resistant bags and adjustable feet ensure it stands firm wherever you place it. Ideal for your laundry room, bathroom, or bedroom, this hamper brings order to any space. It's a stylish and practical addition to your home. What we like. This option offers a convenient top shelf, providing extra space for organizing or displaying items, which is a unique feature. Its sturdy metal frame ensures stability and longevity. If you appreciate a blend of functionality and style, and need a place to put away your laundry while also having a bit of extra surface space, consider this one. What people say. Setup was very simple, and it is very stable and sturdy even when full of laundry and with items on the top shelf. The drawers slide out very easily and keep the laundry out of sight in an elegant manner. It holds a medium-sized load of laundry easily in each basket. Number 2. Greenstell 110L Divided Laundry Hamper with Wheels. Introducing the Greenstell Laundry Hamper, designed to make your laundry routine simpler. Its elegant handwoven design complements any room. Crafted from durable, waterproof synthetic rattan, this hamper protects your clothes from moisture. The sturdy frame ensures it can handle large loads. With convenient rolling casters and handles, moving your laundry is a breeze. Effortlessly transport clothes from room to room without heavy lifting. This divided hamper simplifies sorting your laundry. The removable liner bags make carrying clothes to the washer incredibly easy. Its generous capacity holds plenty of clothes, while the easy open lid keeps your space neat and tidy. Enjoy a clutter-free home. Choose the perfect fit for your needs. It's available in 110L and 90L sizes, capable of holding up to 110 pounds of laundry. What we like. This hamper stands out with its handwoven rattan look, adding a touch of style to your room. The integrated wheels make transporting laundry incredibly easy, especially for those with mobility concerns or who want to avoid carrying heavy loads. If you prioritize both aesthetics and effortless mobility, this wheeled hamper is an excellent choice. What people say. I like how it keeps our clothes separate so I don't have to sort anything. Easy to assemble and sturdy. Great size. The rattan is a nice quality. Doesn't look fake. Nice height too, and the top is sturdy enough my cat can jump up on it, or I can store things on top of it. The best part is that it has wheels so I can carry around the house. I did not know that it comes with 2 liners. Perfect size. Number 1. ToiletTree Products Bamboo Hamper. Introducing a stylish laundry hamper designed to keep your space organized and looking great. It offers ample space to manage your laundry needs effectively. Effortlessly sort your laundry with its dual compartment design. This feature allows you to easily separate different types of loads, making laundry day simpler. Transporting your laundry has never been easier. The removable bags allow for quick and convenient trips to the washing machine. Crafted from durable bamboo, this hamper is built to last. Its natural aesthetic complements any bathroom or laundry room decor. We are committed to your satisfaction. Enjoy top-quality home products backed by responsive customer support, ensuring a great experience. What we like. This hamper offers a stylish bamboo finish that can complement various decors. Its dual compartments are perfect for pre-sorting laundry, saving you time on wash day. If you're looking for an aesthetically pleasing sorter with the convenience of built-in separation and appreciate a brand that prioritizes customer satisfaction, this is a great pick. What people say. The hamper is sturdy and well-made, with a removable liner that makes it easy to carry laundry to the washing machine. It's a good size for a small apartment, holding about 2 loads of laundry. The 2 compartments are great for separating lights and darks. The lid keeps odors contained and the hamper looks neat and tidy in the bedroom. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.